Hello, this is Peter from allinclusivecaribbeancruises.net. Welcome. Many people, when they are planning a cruise vacation or any kind of vacation, grapple with the question of whether or not they should get travel insurance. So today I want to talk to you about, should I get cruise travel insurance? Well, it's up to you. Cruise travel insurance, like any other insurance, is optional. When I say like any other travel insurance, is optional. Whenever you go to book your buy your cruise package, your travel agent, or if you're buying directly from the cruise line, you will be asked by the agent then, do you want to add travel insurance? Now, what you must understand about cruise travel insurance is that it ensures, and by the way, you need to be careful what you're buying. You need to ensure that you're getting a good package that covers everything. So when you buy a package that covers everything, you want to be sure, you have the peace of mind that if something happens and you cannot make your trip, or if something happens while you're on the trip, that you're covered. You'll get your money back. If something happens, you can't make the trip, you'll get all your money back. If something happens while you're on the ship, you'll be covered for medical expenses, or if there's an emergency, you have to be flown by helicopter to a hospital somewhere. You want to be sure that all those things are covered. If you're traveling, your luggage gets lost, you want to be sure it's covered. So insurance is good because it does offer peace of mind. What you need to understand about when you buy your cruise package is that while the deposit is generally non-refundable, you can get a certain percentage of your cruise ticket price back over a period of time leading up to the final payment, leading up to your cruise departure. You can get a certain amount. I think up to about 30 days out or so, or maybe less, you'll get up to 75% of the price back. With cruise insurance, though, with travel insurance, you get everything back, and that's the beauty of spending a little extra money to get more back. You can decide not to just go along with buying the cruise ticket, knowing that you will get something back, not all of it. But if you spend a little extra, you will get everything back if you do have that cruise travel insurance. But a couple of things to note about insurance. One, when you go to book your cruise, you will be, like I said, you will be asked if you want to have insurance added. Something I've found is that the insurance that comes directly from your cruise line sometimes tends to be a little bit more than you could get elsewhere. So I would strongly suggest that you do not accept the offer from the cruise line at first. Okay, so do not immediately accept the insurance from the cruise line. The second thing, therefore, is shop around. If you are bent on getting travel insurance, check a few companies that sell travel insurance. There's Travel Guard, there's Allianz. Check with some other companies and see what they're offering for the same package, because you're actually covered based on the amount of money you spend, based on where you're going, based on the length of your trip, based on the number of people or adults in your group. Children 17 and under generally piggyback on their parents' insurance policy. So, but check those things. So those two things are key. Don't immediately take what is offered by the cruise line. Two, shop around. But like I said, for your own peace of mind, then you may want to consider getting travel insurance, because things happen at sea. Things happen on the way to the ship. Things happen with a flight. Things happen with luggage. It's just the way of the world. It's just the way life is. You can never be sure. Normally, when we're cruising, when my family's cruising, there are 5 of us, we will buy the insurance. Sometimes there are other times when we will not buy. So it all depends on how we're feeling. Thank God we have taken several cruises and we have not had any issues. So those times when we bought the insurance, we were covered. We had a peace of mind, but we did not need it. Now we have discovered that we have a particular credit card company that covers us when we use their card to book a cruise. So now we use them every time we're cruising, and that way we don't have to spend extra for the cruise travel insurance. So that's the third thing. So one, don't immediately accept the offer, the cruise insurance package from the cruise line. And two, shop around. And the three, check if your credit card company offers travel protection when you use their card. Okay? So, as I said before, travel insurance is optional, but it's a good thing to get because you can travel with the assurance that should anything happen, you're fine, you're covered, and your family's covered. This is Peter from All Inclusive Caribbean Cruises saying, go have fun, and I hope to see you on the high seas. Bye.